Okay, in this last video of the series, we're going to show you how to start programming your robot. And I want to be very clear here. For this first unit, I am not going to give you a lot of details or specifics. I'm expecting you to play and to learn on your own by trying things. Your overall goal is to make a robot that can do a funky dance. How you do that is up to you. What movements you use are up to you. Let's take a look at what your options are. So right off the bat, when you open up the software, you see a few tutorials up top. They have some specific ones here and some very basic ones here. The specific ones, you can't use any of the ones that say stop because we don't have sensors on our robots yet, and that's okay. I just want you to do a dance with movements. So if you take a look at the very beginning, they show you here. This is how to make your robot move straight. They give you a little connection, and then they show you a little bit of the program. You got the same thing over here for a turn. They show you how to modify that. And that's really all there is to it. So let's open up a new program and take a look. This is our little start button. This is one way you can make motors move. This is another way you can make motors move. Both of these do the same exact thing in different ways. How to change them is up to you. I want you to play with them and find out. Just start pushing different buttons and see what happens. Try different things. It can't hurt. The one thing I would say is put your robot on the floor so you don't accidentally drive off the table. I've seen that happen before. As we went over this morning, the funky dance requires you to have pictures, sounds, and blinking lights. And the way to do that, you could put them on the ends here, but then they don't play till after the dance is done, and that's not fun. But by putting them in a row like this, you click here, you click, click here. Why is that not going? Oh, it did go. You click here, you click here, and you've now done something called parallel programming that makes all the things happen at the same time. And that's all I'm going to show you. Like I said, I'm going to let you figure this out on your own. It's a lot of fun. You've got the time to play with it. Please come up and ask me questions, but I don't want to do a long, boring tutorial that shows you every single thing you could possibly do.